Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jane L, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made the 3D half letter I used for my baby's photo shoot. So I was actually doing it and I just realized, wow, I can actually show you guys how to do it. So I just free-handedly draw out like the half letter on a carton, and I just like cutting it. And once I was done, I just had to measure out all the edges all round so I would know how many length of carton I'll need for the sides. But you don't need to measure, you can just cut out long strips, but it is equally advisable you measure it though. So after cutting it out, like you can see, I have like 3 strips here, and these strips are like, should I say, 2.5 inches wide. You can make yours bigger, you can make yours smaller. So okay, 2.5 to 3 inches wide. And all I'm going to do right now is use my gum, just to attach it all around the letter. So any corner that folds, when I get to a corner, I'll just bend the carton so it can lap well on each corner. So I'm going to be doing that all around this 3D letter, and I will get back to you. Oh my gosh, guys, I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to all you, my beautiful family, who have been supporting me and are still supporting me. Oh gosh, I really appreciate you all. Like, I don't take you guys for granted. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful to all the support throughout my vlogmas. Thank you, and God bless you. God bless you. Oh my gosh, thank you. So guys, thank you so much. As you can see, when I get to a corner that I need to fold, I would fold the carton. Like, as for these two, the curving area, I will try my best to curve the carton, curve it out in creases so that it would be able to curve well, just like you see me do. So I will just like press it in so it would be able to curve freely. So that's just all you're going to be doing with the carton. And then when you're done, you use your hot glue gun. I'd advise you use a hot glue gun because that's faster, even though if you're not careful you're gonna get burned, but it's actually faster and you would enjoy your craft work. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, so guys, make sure you do this step before you plug your hot gun and use your hot gun, because once the carton is folded the way you want it to go, when you want to gum it, it will be very easy. So this was like the next day or so, or maybe later that day. Okay, there was no light when I was doing it, so I had to wait for light, and then light came. And as you can see, it's very easy once you just use your hot gun, because you have folded the areas were meant to be folded, and creased where it was meant to be creased, and everything would just fall into place smoothly. So as you can see, guys, I am done attaching the sides to the half letter. So I used the 3 strips I cut out. I joined them at the end whenever I want to start a new one. So all I'm going to do right now is trace out the cover using another carton. I'm going to trace out the half letter, the one I'm going to use in covering this 3D letter that we have created. And as you can see, excuse my baby, he's like, stop talking and give me breast. So as you can see, I went ahead and covered the 3D letter. So all I'm going to do right now is wrap them up in the color I want to. So I had this red paper, sugar paper. I went ahead, traced out the back and the front of the half letter using the sugar paper, and I equally cut strips that will go round the sides of the half letter. So I decided to go with like a Santa Claus theme because it is Christmas. Like my baby boy, turned 6 months this December. So I decided to make use of, the Christmas theme. That's why I'm using red. So use whichever theme you want. You can do PJ Masks, you can do Barbie, you can even, well, there's so many styles like what you can see here. Like I'm going to show you guys my baby girls, or the ones I did for my baby girl. Sorry, baby. The ones I did for my baby girl, and so you can see that there are so many options you can do. So as you can see, I went ahead and covered the sides. First of all, cover the sides so that when you're covering the top and the back, like that the sides are covered, and everywhere, whichever place you did not cover, you can now use the front to cover it. And that is it. Then you can then go ahead and decorate anyhow you want. As you can see, I'm done wrapping the 3D letter, and it's looking so plain. And so I had this black card in which I used for a job sometime last year or this year, I can't remember, but it had a leftover. And that's what I'm going to be using as the belt of the Santa Claus, Santa Claus. And then with this gold mirror card, which I did not use the gold mirror card, I ended up using this glitter gold foam sheet as the belt strap. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, using my hot glue gun. I'm just going to be placing the belt and then attaching the strap. And there you have it. And oh my gosh, there you have it. So guys, please excuse the Christmas cap. I didn't have a card. If not, I would have used the card to make the Christmas cap. But since I didn't have a card at home, I just had sugar paper. I had to invent and just place this red cap on it. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad.